Everybody just got out. They are running around, a little frisky, getting water after being cooped up all night. Let's say hello to some of these folks. Hello, Lady Sussex. My little Colombian wind-up. Hey, Java, the best boy. There's Toast over there. Plymouth Rocks. Every birdie. The little black one there's a whiting. Buff Brahma. My Buckeye. Bonsai. The cream leg bars. Charlotte, who I think is like a red sex link or something. She was included as our free surprise chick. Little blue Wyandotte. Hello, my dear. There you go. Little Americana there loading up. Nom, 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 nom. Yeah, see, so they've got food, they've got feed, they've got grain, but not everybody is into it first thing. Early birds catch worms. There's this little Buff Orpington and Marshmallow, the Americana out here. They're working on something. Here comes a little Brabanter Roo. This is the English-speaking breeds, but there are 1, 2, and there's a third one around here somewhere. 3 little Brabanter Roos who worked their way in a couple months ago and have continued to hang out, but their days with this flock are numbered. There's Mr. P, a cuckoo leg bar, super handsome. His sister Poke, unfortunately, was taken by a hawk earlier this year, and she was outstanding. She was so adorable. She was so sweet. She was as sweet as Pearl, who is... Let me see, where's Pearl? Pearl! Pearl! Chick, 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 chick. Pearl! Pearl may be... Hey, Java! Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy. That's a little Dominique. Bard rocking a Dominique. Pearl, are you in here? No, Lady Java is. Lady Java is in it to win it. I have to pull eggs out from under her every night because she really wants to hatch a clutch. There's Pearl. Pearl! Chick, 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 chick. Hey, Pearl. Look at this beautiful partridge rock right here. She is gorgeous. Little whiting. Hi. Buff Brahma. One of our 3 first birds. Got them all on impulse at Tractor Supply the night before my shipment from Ideal was scheduled to arrive. I had the brooder ready and I just couldn't wait. So I got our 3 little Brahma knots. 1, 2. The third one is way back there. But knock on wood, they're still with us. This little guy, not him. He's good. Buzz is good. The other one, that little guy, he is feisty. He tries to kick me pretty regularly. We've had a couple conversations. It sucks that he seems to be the orneriest one because he actually has the best features in my opinion. He's got beautiful muffs, pretty good beard, and a good crest. There he is. You see his face? Very handsome. All right, so that's this group. Hey, Java. Such a good boy. Hey, Buzz. There's Ajax. Ajax is a whiting roo. He's enormous. Enormous. Much bigger than all our other whiting roos. All right, let's check on Mediterranean flock. Lord of mercy. Okay. Hi. Wow, George Patton, that was amazing. Good job. Penedisenka, 2 Penedisenkas. Lakeshore Egger, that's Mrs. Peacock. Blue Australorp. I don't think that could be bleep or blorp. Little rooster is Salvador, I think. And this little black one, probably a black Minorca. There's Pepe, the blue Andalusian. There is Rufus and Beta, the two Americana roosters who are not really a Mediterranean or Pacific Rim breed, not at all. They're an American breed that was, if anything, developed from South American stock. But they just wound up going over here, and they've been here for a little while. Gonna have to separate them. Only one will stay. Probably gonna be Rufus, the bigger one. But we shall see. Little guy. Our three little light Brahmas. Who else is in here? It's a little olive egger. Hi! The blue Andalusian. More Andalusians are being added in here this year. You saw some of them yesterday in the brooder. Andalusians will be added, and Cochins will be added, and more Minorcas in both the buff and black variety. Got some Minorca roos. I may add some black Australorps this year. Right now we've just got the blue Australorps. There's a little Wyandotte in here, and an Ancona. Charlie the Ancona. Got two little white-faced black Spanish. This is their second year, and it does take a while for the white on their faces to come in. So those are just starting to come in. Little Buttercup. That's the breed as well as her name. Sicilian Buttercup. Who else is in here? Hey, guy. Look at the tail and the size. I'm thinking that's Rufus, and that's Beta. Who else is in here? Oh, little black Americana. She doesn't have a name yet. Hey, guy. I need to come in and clear out all these hackberry seedlings. Make room for other good stuff. Hey, guy. White-faced black Spanish. Olive egger. All right. Okay. I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoyed this little checkup with the flock. Over there are the European birds, but I need to get the ducks and geese out. It's I think it's probably around 10 o'clock, which is usually when I let them out. By that point, they've laid all their eggs for the day, so they come out later. But, well, of course, there's Dorcas. We have to say hey to Dorcas. Dorcas! Hi! Dorcas. But, you know, I mean, this is pretty much their day. Today, it's nice today. It's overcast. It's supposed to rain later today in the late afternoon. And so it's cool. Getting more and more shade out here for them. Nice big blueberry starting to leaf out. It's a little crevecoeur. All right. Ba, 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 ba. Hey, Johan. Look how industrious every birdie is. Work, work, work. Chickens are not lazy. Not lazy at all. They work hard. Even when they're not laying eggs, they work hard. I've got kind of a pet peeve when people post those things about all I did was eat food and didn't lay an egg over the winter or whatever. There's like pet shaming videos. It's fine if you do that, but it's not for me. They, even when they're not laying eggs, they are enriching my life through their company. They are tilling the ground. Like, holy mackerel, Fletcher over there is tearing up some serious turf. They are debugging. They're eating grubs. Supposed to have locusts maybe emerging this year. I think I saw something about. But they're making fertilizer. They're tilling the ground. They're eating pests. They are doing a lot besides just making eggs. So That's how they are today. All right, I got to go get to work with the waterfowl. You can follow us at Broad Shoulders on Instagram and Facebook. And if you got any questions, concerns, helpful critiques, please feel free to post them below. Talk to y'all later. Hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.